In the Tacloban City Public Market, Ate operates a thriving siomai business, daily selling 30 to 60 packs and investing 7,200 pesos in goods, exemplifying entrepreneurial spirit. From dawn till dusk, Ate dedicates herself to selling delicious siomai at Tacloban City Public Market, inspiring hope through hard work. By using linear algebra, specifically break-even point and break-even sales, we can create pricing strategy optimization, cost control and reduction, sales forecasting and better budgeting and financial planning for better utilization of a business. But first, what exactly is break-even point? The break-even point represents the threshold where revenue equals total cost, resulting in neither profit nor loss. You can calculate the break-even point by dividing the fixed cost by selling price per unit minus the variable cost per unit. Suppose you have a fixed cost of 2,000 pesos, a selling price of 50, and a variable cost of 25. So the number of units that need to be sold in order for the revenue to equal the total cost is 80 units. But what if your sales volume is less than your break-even point? That is when you will incur losses.
So today, we will be solving some linear algebra problems, specifically the break-even point and the break-even sales. So according to the data we have gathered by our interview, in this scenario, a siomai food stand sells a pack of siomai for which the variable cost is 30 pesos. The fixed cost for a day is 7,200. If each pack sells for 30 pesos, how many packs must be sold to break even, and how much will be the revenue or sales at break even point? So the given here is the fixed cost, which is 7,200, and the selling price, which is 30 pesos per pack. So in order for us to find the break-even point, we have to use this solution, which is break-even point is equal to the fixed cost over the cost margin. So in order for us to find the cost margin, we need to subtract the variable cost of the siomai food stand minus the selling price for each pack of a siomai. So that would be 60 minus the selling price, which is 30 pesos. So by substituting the given, that would be 7,200 over 30 pesos. So the break-even point for the siomai food stand would be 240 packs of siomai. The next that we will be finding is the revenue or sales at break-even point. So to find this, we need to use the formula of break-even sales. The formula being the break-even point multiplied by the selling price. So by substituting the given, which is the break-even point 240 and the selling price, which is 60 pesos per pack, so the break-even sales would be 14,400 pesos. So those are the answers regarding these questions. Thank you.